Hey, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Food Fact for you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of protein-enriched products, a subject that's been creating quite a buzz in the food and health communities. We'll uncover the origins of these protein-packed products, how proteins are separated from their natural sources, and discuss the fascinating world of artificial proteins. So let's get started. Imagine proteins as the building blocks of life. They're crucial for our muscles, organs, and overall bodily functions. We find proteins in various foods, including natural sources like meat, fish, dairy, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These natural sources serve as the foundation for creating protein-enriched products that cater to different dietary needs. The journey begins with extracting proteins from their natural habitats. This involves breaking down the source and separating proteins from other components. Methods like extraction and filtration come into play, making sure we capture those essential proteins. Extraction is like a treasure hunt, bringing out the proteins from their hiding places within the source. Extraction is a bit like treasure hunting. We break down the source, releasing proteins from their natural abodes, and then carefully separate them from the other components. One technique we use in this process is called precipitation. It's a fascinating chemical dance. We add specific chemicals like ammonium sulfate, trichloroacetic acid or acetone to our mix, and there you have it. The proteins precipitate out, and we collect them for further use. And yes, acetone. That is the stuff you also use for removing nail polish. Another method is ion exchange chromatography, where proteins are separated based on their electrical charge. It's like sorting a deck of cards, but with proteins. We utilize special resins or beads packed into a chromatography column. These resins have charged groups that interact with the oppositely charged proteins, allowing for separation. Artificial proteins are our protein powerhouses. They often pack a protein punch, giving you a concentrated source to meet your protein goals efficiently. What's even more exciting is their level of customization. We can tailor artificial proteins to have specific amino acid profiles, addressing dietary needs and preferences. But there's more. Some artificial proteins are produced sustainably, with a lower environmental footprint compared to traditional sources. Sustainability and health in a single package. However, it's crucial to note that while artificial proteins can offer these advantages, they might have downsides when compared to whole, natural food sources. While artificial proteins are protein powerhouses, they might lack the rich nutrient profile found in whole food sources. Some artificial protein creation involves intensive processing, potentially impacting the nutritional value and bioavailability of the final product. Taste and texture, the cornerstones of culinary delight. Artificial proteins might face challenges in. As we conclude this protein-packed adventure, we've discovered the diverse sources and methods that fuel the creation of protein-enriched products. Whether from natural or artificial sources, proteins play a vital role in our dietary landscape, aiding us in building a healthy and robust foundation for our bodies. When considering protein options, it's important to remember that whole, natural food sources often come with a wide array of nutrients and health benefits beyond just protein. Consuming a variety of whole foods, including natural protein sources, is generally recommended for a balanced and nutritious diet. So that's it for today. Now we know where the artificial proteins come from. Until next time, happy eating! If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments what we should discuss next.